Welcome to BuySpares. In this video we will show you how to replace the drive belt on a Kenwood washing machine. Before fitting any electrical equipment, you must ensure that the appliance is first disconnected from the mains. If the drum has stopped turning, but you can still hear the motor working, then the drive belt may have come off because it is stretched or even broken and will need replacing. Remove the screws around the back panel to release it and put it to one side. If the belt has come off, check the pulley and the bolt are not loose, as this can cause the belt to move during the program and slip off. If needed, retighten the bolt and make sure the pulley is tight before replacing the belt. Take your new belt and place it around the motor first and make sure it is on the motor spindle correctly before lifting it onto the pulley. Now slowly move it around until it goes all the way on, but be aware, the new belt may be tighter than the old one. And there we have it, one drive belt replaced on a Kenwood washing machine. For all the spares you need, visit the BuySpares website.